In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority in Clickup, a task management tool that helps you organize your work efficiently. Whether you're managing a small team or working solo, setting task priorities can greatly enhance productivity and focus. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, head over to the Clickup website, which positions itself as the all-in-one productivity platform. ClickUp allows you to streamline your workflow, which is why understanding its features, like setting task priorities, can be so beneficial. Once you're on the main page, you need to log in. Look for the login button on the upper right corner of the screen, click it and you'll be taken to the login page. If you have a Google account, there's a shortcut you can use. Click on Sign In with Google, a convenient option if you're already signed in elsewhere on your browser. This method saves time and keeps things simple, especially if you switch between different apps frequently throughout your workday. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select your email from the list provided, and you'll be securely logged into your ClickUp workspace. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to locate the task you want to assign a priority to. ClickUp organizes tasks efficiently, so you should be able to find yours by navigating through your projects and spaces. Once you've located the specific task, here's a handy tip. Click on the flag icon associated with it. This icon is your gateway to manage priorities. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu. It allows you to select the priority level that fits best with your task needs. You have four options: urgent, high, normal and low. Choose urgent for tasks that require immediate attention, ensuring they're handled with top priority. Select high for tasks that are important but not critically time sensitive. Choose normal for everyday tasks that you need to keep on your radar. Finally, use low for tasks that have minimal impact on your ongoing projects. Remember, effectively setting priorities doesn't just benefit individual productivity, it significantly impacts team collaboration, keeping everyone aligned on what needs focus. Plus, reviewing and adjusting priority levels regularly can accommodate any changes in project scope or deadlines. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to navigate ClickUp to set task priorities. A simple yet impactful feature. This skill will not only aid in managing priority levels, but also help in hitting deadlines and organizing workloads effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Until next time, happy task managing.